Hey, welcome to this short video clip on converting mass relating to the Hegarty clips 696 and 697. We're going to look at converting units of mass, metric units, and then the final example question will be a worded problem solving question for us to apply the skill at the top, so the converting metric units. Okay, so the first thing we need to pay attention to is that diagram at the top. Okay, so we've got the metric units that we use really in everyday life. So we've got tons, kilograms, grams, and milligrams. Okay, those are the four most common ones that we use in today's society, and they are the four units that will most likely turn up on exam papers. So we've got 1,000 kilograms in a ton. So if I want to go from tons to kilograms, I'm going to multiply by 1,000. There are 1,000 grams in a kilogram. So if I want to convert from kilograms to grams, I multiply by 1,000. If I want to go from grams to milligrams, I multiply that by 1,000 again, because there are 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. And if I was converting back the other way, I would just divide by 1,000 each time. Okay, so this diagram shows you what you need to do, okay, and each step. If you follow the arrows, you cannot go wrong. Okay, so the first question, okay, change 36.3 kilograms into milligrams. Okay, I've got kilograms and I want to change it to milligrams. So I want to go from here all the way to here. Now I'm not going to do that in one big jump. I'm going to do it in 2 little jumps to make it slightly easier. So I want to go from kilograms to grams first. So I'm going to write down what I've got. I've got 36.3. Okay, and to convert that into grams, I'm going to multiply it by 1,000. And that's going to give me a total in grams. So 36.3 times 1,000 is going to be 36,300, and that's grams. Okay. Right, now that I've got that total, okay, I've got my total in grams, so I'm going to write that on my next line because I need to do something with that. 36,300. Now I've got grams, I want to go to milligrams because that's the question, that's my final destination. So grams to milligrams multiplied by 1,000 again. We're going to add 3 zeros on the end. 1, 2, 3. 36,300,000 milligrams. So on the final line of working, I'm going to write out what we've done. We've done 36.3 kilograms, and that is equal to 36,300,000 milligrams. Okay, taking it step by step. Okay, second question. Change 780,000 grams into tons. Okay, well I've got grams this time and I want to go this way, I want to go to tons. Not going to do it all in one go. I'm going to take it step by step. So grams to kilograms first. So what have I got? I've got 780,000 grams. And I'm going to divide it by 1,000. Why am I dividing by 1,000? Well, because there's 1,000 grams in a kilogram. Okay. And if I follow my arrows, it tells me I need to divide by 1,000 to get there. So if I divide by 1,000, knock 3 zeros off, 780 kilograms. Okay, now that I've got my kilograms, I need to get to tons. There are 1,000 kilograms in a single ton, so I'm going to divide by 1,000. If I follow the arrow, divide by 1,000 to get to tons. So my second line of working, 780 divided by 1,000, and once I've done that, I will get 0.780 tons. Okay, I don't need to write the 0. I could write it as 0.78 tons. But I put the 0 there just to make the point. I've moved it 3 places. So my final line, I'm going to write out what we did. 780,000 grams was what we were given, and that is equal to 0.78 tons. Okay, so simple, nice simple conversions. We're multiplying or dividing by 1,000 really, and that's it. Okay, the tricky bit comes when we get into our worded problem. So let's have a look. Scroll down to our worded problem. So let's read this question out carefully. Kayla is going on a trip. The mass of everything she is packing is 6.8 kilograms. She packs everything into a bag that has a mass, when empty, of 510 grams. What is the total mass of the bag and its contents? Okay, so four lines there. We need to unpick some things. So the things I'm looking for are numbers. Okay, so I've got 6.8 kilograms. And I've got 510 grams. And the question says, what is the total mass of the bag and its contents? So I want to add these two together. Now, in order to add them together, I need to make them the same. I need to either make them both kilograms, or I need to make them both into grams. Okay, so I'm going to show you both very quickly. Okay, so if I want to convert them both into grams, I need to convert this kilograms into grams. So in order to do that, it's 6.8 times 1,000. If we go back to our diagram, there are 1,000 grams in a kilogram. So to get from kilograms to grams, remember we're going that way. So it's times by 1,000. So that's going to give me 6,800 grams. So if I want the total weight, total mass, it is 6,800 plus 510, and that will give me the total mass in grams. So 6,800 plus 510, which is 7,310 grams. Now, if I wanted it in kilograms, I would have to change the 510 grams into kilograms, and I would do that by dividing that by 1,000. So I'd have 6.8 kilograms plus 510 grams, which is 510 divided by 1,000, which is equal to 0.510. So the total mass is 6.8 plus 0.51, which is 7.31 kilograms. And so again, all we're doing is we're multiplying or dividing by 1,000, but we've then got to add it to the other total that we've got as well in the question. Okay, so recap on the worded bit, pick out the numbers that you need. Okay, read the question again carefully. What is it asking you to do with those two numbers? You will need to do a conversion somewhere and then add the totals together.